What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a new part, the CUSCO lower rear power brace. We're going to go ahead and get it installed on the car. This is a great upgrade from the brace that's currently on the car. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. All right, so first thing you want to remove is this rear panel on each side. 2/8, 210. Once you got those removed, you have an E-Torx, an E14 E-Torx that needs to be removed. Go ahead and crack that bad boy loose on each side. All right, once you crack the E-Torx loose, go ahead and remove it. Then all of these are 13s. And down she goes. So as you can see, on the right is the stock, and on the left is the CUSCO. The stock is considerably lighter, but it's very flimsy in comparison to the CUSCO. CUSCO is a lot heavier duty, very stout, thick gauge aluminum versus the very thin pot metal one that's on the car. All right, I'm gonna put this up with just a couple screws in it. And you're gonna notice there's a bend in it and it's gonna curve up. Let's go ahead and put these two center ones in, just finger tighten them a little bit. And this one over here. We're going to stick this on. I'm gonna put that bolt that you already took, put that back in there. The second one in there. Do the same for this side. All right, go ahead and tighten in this by just your fingertips. And we're gonna take our two E-Torx screws, get this line back up, finger tighten that one, and finger tighten this one. And then we're gonna take our little 8mm, put that guy in there, 8mm over here. All right, now that you got all the screws in, go ahead and start tightening down each one slowly but surely. We're gonna start with getting the middle just snug. And we're gonna go over and do the E-Torx. Then we're gonna go over and do the E-Torx just the same way, snug. The E-Torx over here, snug. And we're gonna put 10 and the 8. Just getting these snug. We're gonna come in and get these tight.
No, DoorDash.
Explaining this. Alrighty guys, so just make sure you follow the torque specs and torque these down, and just be careful of the plastic bolts and these break really easily. Like I said before, go ahead and finger tighten them in, and then tighten them with the actual ratchet, and then torque them to spec. The spec is 29 Newton meters, so you'll need to convert that if you don't have a Newton meter to foot pounds. But other than that, it's all in, and it is super solid in comparison. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward part to install in the car. It adds a little bit more rigidity in the rear of the car. It does help the car slide a little bit more, but that's it for our episode today. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, let us know how we're doing. All those things do help us. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.